In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The visit of the Minister of Water and Energy from Laghman province. The allocation of cash and in-kind assistance for the returning migrants in Panjshir province. And the telephone conversation between the foreign ministers of Iran and Turkey. Welcome to the news package. It's Thursday, the 10th of Shawwal 1447, the 9th of Dal 1404, and the 29th of January 2026. The news details. Mullah Muhammad Yunus Akhundzadeh, the Minister of Water and Energy, visited Laghman province and inspected the progress of the Shahi Canal project. Based on the Minister of Water and Energy, Maulvi Akhundzadeh, in a meeting with officials of the contracting company, emphasized both the speed and the quality of the project's implementation. It is worth noting that Shahi Canal is located in Alinagar, the district of Laghman province. Upon completion, the canal is expected to irrigate approximately 20,000 hectares of agricultural land. The media office of Panjshir Provincial Authority reports that based on the special benevolence of His Excellency Amir al-Mu'mineen, may Allah preserve him, cash and in-kind assistance have been allocated to 1,200 returning families in the province. According to the statement, the package includes 6 million Afghanis in cash and 300 metric tons of wheat. Each family will receive 5,000 Afghanis and 250 kilograms of wheat. The news continuation. The media office of Nangarhar province has announced that the collapse of a house in Jalalabad city, the provincial capital, resulted in the deaths of a mother and her 6 children, while another individual sustained injuries. The incident reportedly occurred around midnight last night in Ghujkud, the area of the city's 7th district. Security officials arrived promptly at the scene, recovered the victims from beneath the rubble, and transferred the bodies to the forensic department. And ultimately, the foreign ministers of Iran and Turkey have rejected threats and interference in the internal affairs of the regional countries. Sayyid Abbas Araghchi, Iran's Minister of Foreign Affairs, and Hakan Fidan, the Turkey's Minister of Foreign Affairs, held a telephone conversation yesterday, Wednesday, 8th of Dalv. In accordance with Iran's Minister of Foreign Affairs, both sides dismissed threats and external interference in the affairs of the regional states. The two ministers also underscored the importance of sustained efforts by all parties to prevent the escalation of the tension and to safeguard regional peace and stability. We have reached the end of our news program. For further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration, you could track us on social media platforms. Wishing our loyal and decent viewers a blessed Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.